want even cooking, so the best way to do that is to flatten these things out. Take a 1 gallon Ziploc bag, put each chicken breast in there, beat on it a little bit, and do that for each of them. After we season these, we're going to spray with just a little bit of olive oil, which might seem unorthodox, but it does set the rub and prevent sticking to the Green Mountain Grill grate. If you're curious, I'm using the GMG Texas blend for this cook, one of my faves. Oh baby, listen to that sizzle. We know this Green Mountain Grill is ready to cook. We're just looking to arrange these evenly, cook them 15 minutes per side, then sauce them. Another few minutes to set the sauce, let them rest, and then we're gonna enjoy. If you don't have one already, do yourself a favor and pick up a Thermapen, best thermometer on the market.